Want to design a rhinestone decal using a Cricut Maker? Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Open Cricut Design Space on your PC. Step 2. Click on the Images tool in the left sidebar. Step 3. In the search bar, search for Rhinestone Template and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Step 4. From the results, select a template you like and add it to your canvas. Step 5. Resize and edit the design as needed. Step 6. Make sure the operation is set to Basic Cut. Step 7. Once you're happy with your design, click on the Make It or Make button in the upper right corner. Step 8. On the Prepare screen, click on the Continue button. Note, make sure your Cricut Maker is connected to your computer. Step 9. Click on Browse All Materials to set the material. Step 10. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list and click on the Add New Material link in the lower left corner. Step 11. Type Rhinestone Flock and click on the Save button. Step 12. Open the Pressure drop-down menu and select More to set the pressure level. Excellent job! Now, it's time to load the fine point blade and velvet flock material on the cutting mat. Step 13. Load the green cutting mat into your maker as you normally would, then let it cut the material. Step 14. Once the cutting is finished, flip the mat over and gently roll it away to release the flock material. Step 15. Lay the template flat on a solid surface or a baking sheet. Step 16. Pour a small pile of rhinestones onto the center of the template. Note, make sure they are the correct size, color, and heat apply type, not glued rhinestones. Step 17. Make sure each hole in the template is filled with a rhinestone. Step 18. Place a sheet of rhinestone heat transfer material over your entire design and gently press your fingers over it to adhere properly. Note, be sure to peel off the backing from the transfer material before covering your design. Step 19. Slowly lift and roll the heat transfer material away from the flock template. After all the rhinestones are secured to the heat transfer sheet, it's time to press your design onto the shirt. Step 20. Use a brayer to clean the surface of the tote bag for the rhinestones. Step 21. Place the rhinestone pattern on the surface of a tote bag and gently press it with your hand. Step 22. Preheat your heat press according to the rhinestone supplier's instructions. For my rhinestones, the setting is 305 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure for 15 seconds. Step 23. Use the Cricut heat press to secure the rhinestones onto the tote bag. Step 24. Carefully peel off the heat transfer sheet, and your rhinestone design is complete.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, you can subscribe our channel. You can also visit Manny Maker or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't addressed your issue yet, please let us know in the comment section.